Hi everyone, this is Idea Mela. In this video, I would like to introduce you to yet another innovation competition. It's known as CapCut AI Festival. Great. So here you would have definitely come across this video edit tool known as CapCut. So they are organizing this innovation competition to create complete compelling storyline using AI. So they have AI film, they have AI series, they have AI creative, they have AI commercial, and they have a lot of awards for you too. So in AI film, they're looking for original films shaped by strong characters, cinematic craft, and a clear point of view. So they're looking for human-led storytelling with AI used as the part of creative process. It could be 2 minutes or longer. Now, to build a universe across episodes, it's a multi-episode stories that unfold across a shared universe. There could be 2 episodes or more, at least 40 seconds per episode. Now in creative, they want to rewrite reality through visuals, that is experimental visual first work made for the feed. So for commercial, they would like to come up with spectacular ads and brand films for fictional or self-created brands. It could be up to 3 minutes. So Create, that is Kriya AITE, is a CapCut's first AI film festival, a global stage built to award the imagination this medium makes possible. So it honors the idea, point of view, craft, and taste that bring each work to life. You can submit across film series, creative, and commercial. Selected works are reviewed by an international jury and featured across CapCut's official channels, which is guided by human vision, powered by CapCut. So you can go ahead and participate in it. They have a lot of cash prize. As you can see here, the first grand prize is around $70,000, and then we have in for each category winner, which is $20,000, category honorary, which is around $10,000, student vision award $10,000 again. Then they have 20 standout works, non-cash incentives across all categories, and all selected creators or teams will receive 50,000 credits and 1 year of CapCut Pro. So that is some great incentives for you. So on top of that, you can have brand and partner showcases featured by CapCut, creative partner program, industry connections. You can spend time with experienced jury. You can get credits plus pro access. So these are the people who you could work with. So the submission is open from June 10th till August 10, 2026. Then this is the timeline of how things are going to work. So start creating with CapCut with Pro Access, created by Video Studio. Then you can create it and submit the entry. You can claim your starter pack here. Here you can get the starter pack for this innovation competition by clicking on this. So I would suggest you can go ahead and apply for it. Check it out, it's interesting. And if you found this video useful, please do leave a like and do subscribe to our channel. It's known as Idea Mela. I will try to bring more such innovation opportunities for you. Thank you very much.